Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today is such a brilliant morning and I've woken up well. Have you subscribed to my channel? What are you waiting for? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly click to the red button below on your right side and the notification bell to always get notified when I'm doing vlogs. I'm doing the vlogmas. It's December, so I decided today we are going to feed with you guys the chicken. It's a ritual we usually do every day, every morning. So let's get and feed the chicken. So basically what I'm doing currently, I'm removing the things that we normally put water and what we call the feeding boards, and then I'll clean them up before I feed the chicken, because you need to feed chicken in clean places as well. So I'm feeding chicken pioneer feeds. I don't know which kind of feeds you give your chicken. So let's begin. So yeah, as you can see, the board I remove and then I dust it off, put some feeds in it, and then the chicken will feed the chicken. So that's basically what I'm going to do. So watch and learn. As you can see, guys, my chicken house is divided into two. The upper part is for only cockerels, purely cockerels. There's no hen up there. And the lower one is only two cockerels and many hen. Since this December, guys, it's a holiday and people want to have like many kinds of menu, you can promote your girl and buy me and buy chicken from me, because I'm selling. I'll sell you at a very affordable price. So promote your girl and buy some cocks from me, and they're very healthy. Actually, it's pure 𝐂𝐍𝐉𝐎𝐾. It's pure improved 𝐂𝐍𝐉𝐎𝐾. It's what do we call it? Indigenous hens. My birds are indigenous. They are not broiler. They are purely indigenous hens. So they make good soup and they have good meat. Promote me. I would give you an offer. Some of you might be wondering what I'm doing in a chicken peg. So I'm picking the eggs that probably the early birds might have laid, because it's around 9. So today at least I'm lucky I've picked 2 early in the morning, because actually in a day I pick like 10. I don't have much hens, but they do me good. I'll be feeding the hens, which is just fast as I can. And of course, I'll use a stick to go upstairs, because the cocks can be tricky and funny. So yeah, it's just feeding, and that's it. That's my morning routine. Today I was basically showing you how to feed chicken the first way. And you might be asking yourself why I'm using these gunia sacks. Sacks help at night when the place is too windy, to make the hen not feel cold. That's why I've put some sack along the mesh wire, so that in the evening when I'm about to close for the hens, I'll just pull out the sacks. That's the reason I put them there. And that's it. That is all for today. Thank you for watching and taking time to watch. Please subscribe. It's absolutely free. So kindly follow, and hit the notification button. That was the vlogmas for today. I was quite tired and it was fun. It's usually fun, but it's really tiresome to bend down there. And I'm really grateful for you guys. watching how I do it. So that's Vlogmas 003. Anyway, don't forget, everything is possible if you put your mind into it and also work hard. Good day. Thank you and God bless you. Bye. I love you guys.